I just found out the Mexican work week has 2 Tuesdays in it. I didn't even know that. You guys know that? There is. You guys look confused. There's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday. I didn't know. Vince, you know how I found out? One of my best friends, his name is Jesus. He owns a couple auto body shops, right? He's amazing, mechanic, auto body guy. He had my car. This is how I found out about it. I call him, I go, yo, Jesus, when's my car gonna be ready? He's like, come get your car Tuesday. It's ready Tuesday. I show up on Tuesday. Yo, Jesus, where's my car? No? I said it's for Tuesday. It is Tuesday, dude. No, pendejo, no.